Hi, I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal magazine. I was visiting the Rockler, Minnetonka retail store, and I noticed this machine attached to a CNC shark. I decided I need to talk to Randy. He's managing this store for us, and he's going to tell us what this thing does.
So you can make fluted columns like this one here. You can cut spirals. You can do all kinds of different types of decorative carvings on your column or on your circular project.
So is it hard to set up? And what about other machines? Does it work with all CNC shark machines?
So this will work with the HD5 as well as with the Piranha. As far as setup, it's fairly easy to set up. You just have to make sure that you get the two ends square with each other in your alignment so that when the shark is running, it is cutting straight across the column.
So I think I understand the basics of it, but is there any chance we could see this thing actually move? So that is some awesome capability here, and I can see that the options are nearly endless. So what's the price range?
Well, the Mini Fourth Axis runs $499.99, but you should be watching because it often goes on sale with a unit.
So this has been really interesting, and thanks for taking the time to watch it. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal magazine. This is Randy from Rockler Woodworking and Hardware. Keep on making sawdust.